If you're looking for added truck bed space, the Big Bed Senior from Erickson has you covered. Using the built-in carry handle, slide the receiver into your standard 2-inch hitch. Once securely in place, you can remove the lock pin and swing the arms up to create your extension. Ensure you secure the lock pin back to prevent the extender from collapsing. Sure to fit your cargo control needs, this extender comes with multiple anchor points. Here, 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 and here. And of course here. Congrats, Kevin. You used all the anchor points. Now undo them. You just need to. It's just that easy to extend your truck bed like Kevin here. Wave, Kevin. Whether you tie it, tow it, or load it, do it with Erickson.